More and more individuals are turning towards online platforms to make money nowadays. In fact, anyone with a little expertise in any field and a basic college education can start working online and earning decent money. In fact, making money online is simple if you know what you're doing. It's something you can do on the side or as a full-time job, and you can do it from the convenience of your own home. In today's video, we'll take a look at a few online money-making options, and we'll show you everything you need to know to get started making money online. So make sure to watch the video till the end to learn about the secret to making easy money online. If you're new to all this and have no idea where to begin, this video's for you. Without wasting any time, let's start with the number one way of making money online. Number 1. Earning through Fiverr. Fiverr is the biggest online marketplace for individuals to buy and sell quick services for online income. Your service might be anything at all. Everything from writing and translating to social media posting and pranking to teaching to making music and voiceovers and short videos for individuals all around the globe. You can make a decent income from Fiverr, and thousands of individuals are already doing so. So, if you have some skill, you should make a gig on Fiverr and then try to secure some reviews either by working for free for some clients or by offering a low price. Once you have some good reviews, you'll secure more and more clients. Also, your work should be satisfactory enough. Apart from that, there's another method to make money on Fiverr with possibly much less effort, by just reselling gigs to other people. To get started, identify a skilled freelancer on Fiverr and then go to sell his service to third parties for a higher price. Number 2. Sell products or services online. Another great option to earn fast money online is to sell products or services on an e-commerce platform or website. Selling items online is a fast and easy method to increase your income. Items such as clothes, furniture, and purses may all be sold from the convenience of one's own home. Additionally, gadgets such as laptops, TVs, and phones can be bought used and then resold for a profit. These things may be found at local garage sales and thrift shops, as well as on internet marketplaces like AliExpress. So all you have to do is find these at a low price somewhere and then sell them at a higher price on another platform. In addition, you should keep in mind to go for highly demanding products, as if a product doesn't have any demand, you won't be able to sell it anywhere. Number 3. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is one of the most effective methods of making easy money online. Dropshipping is a kind of order fulfillment that allows retailers to bypass the need to have goods in hand and sell straight to customers online. When a consumer makes a purchase from a dropshipping shop, the goods are sent straight to them from the manufacturer or wholesaler. You determine the retail price, the buyer pays that, and the difference between what you spend on supplies and what you sell them for is your profit. You won't ever have to worry about handling items or making an investment in stock. In order to start making money as a reseller, all you have to do is set up a supplier account. Dropshipping is made simple for Shopify business owners by DSers. AliExpress gives you access to the DSers marketplace, where you can find and buy millions of items that you can then easily import into your online shop. If a consumer makes a purchase on your website, DSers will handle shipping and handling immediately. Number 4. Start a YouTube channel. YouTube is an excellent platform to make some easy money online. Still, it is a process that will take some time. In fact, people are making millions from YouTube each year. Mr. Beast, a well-known YouTuber, earned a total of $54 million in 2021. If you don't want to show your face, you should go for a faceless channel. They also claim monthly earnings of up to $2,000 for beginners with a consistent number of followers and watchers. In order to maintain a lively and entertaining channel, you will need to constantly generate material using just the free video and music databases. Black screen material such as rain noises, chilled life lectures, and meditation discourses may help individuals relax and go to sleep. Number 5. Creating written guides. There are a lot of videos on TikTok about making and selling study guides, which you can then upload to digital marketplaces like Amazon or Etsy and offer as downloadable products. Some familiarity with design software like Canva or Adobe may be helpful for making these, although there are plenty of free alternatives on Canva if you'd rather not pay for the more advanced features. Even though the average price is low for these services, creating and selling these guides is a simple way to bring in some extra cash. And as time goes on and your products gain more positive feedback, you may even see your earnings increase. Well, that is all for today's video. Feel free to share your views in the comment section below. And if you like this video, remember to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and join the journey with us. Best of luck and goodbye!